Chuck, can you crawl over here? And kitty cat. You got it. Come on, buddy. Come here. You're going after Mama's shoes? Rest. Take a rest. Take a rest. Come on. See, I'm kind of tired. I think I want my baba probably. Come over here. Come over to Mama. There's my toes. Yay! You made it to Mama. Congratulations, buddy. Congratulations.